In this video, we are going to see how we can add married to name or maiden name to your Facebook profile. So let's say that you want to add your spouse name to your Facebook profile. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just click on the profile icon and then click on the About section and just head over to Details About You section. And from here, just head over to the Names section on your profile in the About menu. And from here, we get the option of name pronunciation. You can add your name pronunciation or add other names. We want to add other names, and you can add your nickname, maiden name, married name, father's name, and all. So let's say that we want to add a married name, XYZ name, show at the top of your profile. You click on save, and that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.